We transformed this small laundry room at 4 different budget levels, starting from just $88, using items from Amazon, IKEA, Lowe's, and Home Depot. For level 1, our budget was $100. First, declutter everything and clear the floor. A clean floor makes any small room feel instantly bigger. Swap your old rug for a neutral beige one that makes the room feel cleaner and more put together. Add labeled glass jars for your detergent and small plants to bring life to the shelf. Swap your hamper for one that matches your rim colors so it blends in instead of sticking out like an eyesore. And finally, add vertical storage. Wall hooks for your vacuum, mop, and broom keep everything off the floor and organized. Total cost? Just $88. For level 2, our budget was $250, and we came in well under that. We replaced the wire shelf with a clean floating shelf from IKEA. We also upgraded to a proper laundry sorting shelf from Amazon for a more organized and functional laundry space. Then we added LED strip lights underneath the floating shelf. The warm glow makes the whole room feel bigger and more inviting. We added a clothes hanging rod on the side wall, perfect for clothes that need to air dry. Level 2 total cost, $193. For level 3, our budget was $600, and this is where the room transforms completely. With the increased budget, we installed wall cabinets from Amazon. We painted them a warm grayish and added gold handles for that designer look. We swapped the white shelf for a 55-inch warm oak floating shelf. The natural wood tone adds a warmth that the white shelf just couldn't. We also added a tall, narrow cabinet from Amazon to use the dead space next to the dryer for the vacuum and cleaning tools. We painted all the cabinets the same color and added a fresh coat of matching wall paint to tie everything together. Wall paint is optional. Skip it and you'll come in just under $500. We went $14 over our $500 budget by adding a fresh coat of wall paint. For level 4, our budget was $600. For the final upgrade, we chose to add peel and stick vinyl plank flooring to keep it wallet friendly and renter safe. No professionals needed, no moving the appliances, just peel and stick right over your existing floor. Light floors make small rooms feel significantly larger, and this single change transforms the entire feel of the room. We came in under budget. Total cost $588. And that's the full transformation of this small laundry room at 4 different budgets. All product links with full pricing are in the description below. We had so much fun putting this together. Now what small room transformation do you want to see us do next? A bathroom, an entryway, or a closet? Comment below and let us know, and subscribe for more budget interior design ideas.